I'm super excited to show you what I've built with this CampLWC platform to make it easier for you to learn how to build Lightning Web Components as well as other technologies that I'll be introducing. The core idea behind the platform is giving you a containerized space where you can learn and practice in a safe environment. So what I've done is I've paired some lessons and some challenges here on the left-hand side with a coding editor where you can actually write Lightning Web Components. And I mean like real Lightning Web Components, not some fake version of it that I made. And when you write these Lightning Web Components, you can actually render these in a little mini browser that I made for you as well. So anything that you type in here, if you come in and refresh, you'll see those changes. I change that to Bob, refresh, I can actually see that running. And later, once we explore JavaScript, you'll see a bunch of cool things that you can do here as well. So in order to figure out what you actually want to type here and what you want to build, that's where the lesson comes in. The lesson will explain a concept, and then at the bottom, it'll give you a challenge to solve. So when you solve that challenge, you'll come here to the coding editor, make the code change that you think you need to make. You can preview it for yourself and then submit it. Once you submit it, I'll run some tests on the platform to let you know how you did. If you did something wrong, I'll give you feedback. If you did it correctly, I'll mark this as passed. Every lesson is going to be made up of multiple steps. Once you finish out all the steps and all the tasks associated with them, you'll complete that lesson and you'll be able to move on to the other challenges. Good luck and have fun.